Hey guys, welcome back to Coders Arcade. This is Ashank David, and in this video, I will be talking about the merge sort algorithm. Now, before I start with this video, I would like to ask you to people like, share, and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. Now, in this video, we are talking about merge sort. Now, for those people who are new to our channel, I would like to tell them that in our channel, we are creating this playlist where I am recording all the algorithms, most of the important algorithms. I am recording and keeping it in one playlist. So if you haven't watched our other videos in this playlist, I would highly recommend you to watch those videos as well. Now, in this video, I'll be covering merge sort. So let's start. So guys, what happens in merge sort is a algorithm of divide and conquer. What we will do in this is a given array, and in this given array I will divide this whole array into two parts. So this is 4 plus 4. I can divide, total 8 elements are there, so I can divide it into two parts. Okay, so I'll divide it into first part, which is for 4, that is 1 2 3 4, and another part will be again divided into 4 parts, again 1 2 3 4. Okay, so how will I do it? So here you can see that I'll copy the elements like as it is here, 6 4 7 2. And now what we will do is, once we divide it, we'll again recursively call the same merge sort function again. And what happens is that again it runs onto these arrays that you have, and it will again do a merge uh, before divide it into multiple two parts. So let's say here we divided it into two more parts. Say for example, this can be divided into two more parts, that is 8 and 5, and this can be divided further into 1 and 3. This can be divided into further 6 comma 4, 6 and 4, and this can be further divided into 7 comma 2. Now later on again we will recall the same function recursively onto these arrays that we have right now. Okay, and this will become 8, and this will become 5, this will become 1, this will become 3. Okay, this will become 6, this will become 4, this will become 7, and this will become 2. Okay, so guys, what happens is that we will recursively recall the same merge function again and again until we are left with arrays which are of size 1. Like as you can see that every array at the last is of size 1. As you can see, one single elements are there in each and the every array here. Okay, now guys, what we will do is we will start merging these arrays again while solving them if they are sorted. So what I mean to say is we'll merge these two elements first, and while we are merging these two elements, we'll merge it in a sorted order. So now in this case, this will become 5 and this will become 8. Understood? So 8 is also done and 5 is also done. So I can say that this is done. Then we will merge these two arrays together. And when we do that, 1 is at the correct position, that is fine. And now 3 is also at the correct position. We don't have to worry about this anymore. Now we will merge these two arrays. As you can see, here they have to be merged properly. This 1 and 3 is done. So now 6 and 4 has to be sorted. So 4 will come right here and 6 will go right here. So both 6 and 4 are done. These two arrays are done. Then we will again merge these two arrays in a sorted order. So 2 will come here and 7 will go right here. As you can see, all of these below whole line is done. Okay, now we will start merging again back these other arrays, but in a sorted order. So in this case, this one will come here. So one will go right, over here. Okay. And then 3 will come right here. So 3 will come right here. Okay. And then here 5 will come and then 8 will come. 5 will come and then 8 will come. Correct? Similarly, we will, so this is also done and this is also done. Okay. So now we will do this side. Remember, we are doing this in a one whole row. Okay. So we will do this. So this will become 2, 4, 6, 7. We have merged this also. So this is also done. This is also done. Now we will finally merge these two and the whole array will be sorted in the last merge. Okay. This will become 1, then 2 will go here, then 3 will go here, then 4 will go here, then 5 will go here, then 6 will go here, and then 7 and then 8, like this. And guys, this is what you call as merge sort. We are first dividing the whole array into many different parts, okay, until they are divided into one single array with size 1. And then later on, we are merging them all together in a sorted fashion. So while we are merging, we are sorting them. And guys, this is what you call as merge sort algorithm logic. Now let us go towards the code and let's see how this works. So this is the code, guys, and this is the merge sort function. As I told that we will be calling this recursively again and again. So we will see that. Okay, so we are taking if n is smaller than 2. Of course, if the size is smaller than 2, in that case, we will not do anything, right? Because that will not be enough to sort that array. If the size of the array is just 2. Are you getting my point? Then this will be later on used once we reach the last position. Because at some point of time, n will become less than 2 for that same array when we are dividing into subparts and when it will become one single element array, right? So at that point of time, it will stop the recursive call. This is the base case. Understood? Then we will be finding the mid. To find the mid, we will divide the array by 2 and that will become the mid index. The index mid will be stored right here. And we have taken two variables. So one is left and another is right. So left is going to be the mid and right is going to be n minus mid. Okay. So this way we have found the left and right endpoints. Okay. And then we are, what we are doing is we are iterating over the left hand part and we are storing the elements. And then we are doing the right hand part and we are doing the storing the right hand elements like this. Basically, this is a array. Left is an array and right is an array where the size of the left array is mid till mid. And this is the right array which has the size as n minus mid. Whatever the size for the right hand side will be, that will be it. Okay, so basically what we are doing is this is going to be this is going to be left array, right? And this is going to be right, correct? So the ARR of, so basically this is int left, array sizes till mid. Okay, and this is int right, this is another array, and the size of this array will be total size minus the mid. I hope so that this is getting right. Everyone is getting this right? Correct. So now we have declared those and we are iterating in both of them and we are storing all the elements of left and right. And then again we are recalling the same function by passing the left and the mid as the size. Okay, so again that function will be called and they both will be divided further into two parts, which is this part. I hope so that you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. And same thing is happening with this part on the right hand side as well. We will recall the same merge function on the left hand side and then same recall merge function into the right hand side. And this will further break down the whole array into left and right for just left part. And then again, the same thing will happen for the right part and it will divide it into left and right part. Further, it will be called for respectively this array and then this array and then this array and then this array, and they will be all divided into single elements part. And as soon as they reach single elements part, the base condition will be hit. That is, the size will become less than 2. And as soon as this becomes less than 2, that means the size is 1 in this case, it will come out and it will not continue the recursion and it will not go into infinite recursion and the recursion will stop. And as soon as this happens, we are calling the merge function. That is this. This is the main logic of how to again re-merge. Guys, this merge sort function is just to divide and then this merge function is to conquer. Okay. So we have this merge function right here, and what we are passing here is passing the single array, the left part and the right part and the left size and the right size we are passing, and we are iterating over the all of the array. So left and then right. Okay. So we are taking while we are iterating over the main one where we are saying I is smaller than left size and j is smaller than the right size, and then we are checking if the left is lesser than or equals to right, and if this that is the case, then we are swapping it and then incrementing the value of I, and then otherwise we are swapping it the other way, and the same thing is happening while for I and j. Okay, so this is the code, guys, and this is how it is done. All right, so yeah, this is the code, guys, and yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Well, if you have understood this merge sort algorithm, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Well, if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section below and then I'll try to solve those doubts as soon as possible. Well, that's all for this video, guys. I'll give the code in the description below and you can go ahead and use that code, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it for this video, guys. This is Ashank David signing off. This is merge sort algorithm, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.